Trader, everybody knows that we believe in AI, but AISP is a cheap little stock that is a buyout candidate. These trades, we can see the last high, that high right there was 1650. Now, you can get in this trade with a little bit of money. Okay, it's an option trade. It goes out 90 days. All it has to do is pop toward that $25 mark, which it will. It's a primary candidate for a buyout target in the AI arena. Their technology has proven to work. So big companies are going to thrive off these little companies like AISP. Once again, 90 days out. Once again, call me directly to get you in it. You can't buy it over the counter, but we can put you in the trade. And that we can do right now today.